Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kanchipuram location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Gems Precision Castings Private Limited. They are looking for business development manager. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates should identify partnership opportunities, develop new relationships in an effort to grow business and help company expand, maintain existing business, and responsible for RFQ generation from existing and new customers, RFQ handling and response to customer. And the candidates should coordinate with the NPD, production and finance to prepare RFQ and product SOP and successfully generate new business leads using contacts, social media platforms such as LinkedIn, etc. These are the job responsibilities. And coming to the qualifications for the candidates, the candidates should have 6 to 15 years prior industry related business development experience, and the strong communication and interpersonal skills are required, proven knowledge and execution of successful development strategies, and focused and goal oriented, and experience in foundry, forging or machine shop preferred. These are the qualifications required for this job role. For more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you can please visit the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for equity dealer in Apex Services. Coming to the job responsibilities and accountabilities, those like the candidates are responsible for generating brokerage primarily through advising clients on their equity portfolio for long-term investments, as well as positional trading ideas in stocks for short or medium term. Develop and maintain a long-term relationship with customers to maintain a high level of retention of the existing customer, and also focus on generating new business, and to maintain a synergistic relationship with relationship managers by supporting their efforts to enhance business, and to keep abreast with the market knowledge and market intelligence, and responsible to ensure all activities are in adherence as per compliance risk, and provide regular updates to the immediate superior as and when required. These are the job responsibilities and accountabilities. Coming to the skills required, like those the candidates should have graduate or postgraduate with minimum 1 year of experience in equities on the client advisory side, and the candidates should have a sound understanding of capital markets and should be result oriented, self-started, proactive, and have good communicational skills, and should possess strong networking relationship building skills, and should be certified in a derivative certificate NISM 8. These are the skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Manager PMM in Standard Chartered Bank. Coming to the job roles, like individual contributor, maintain high standard of delivery and ensure no high or medium audit findings, learn and adapt internal departmental activities and follow diligently, and techno-functional expert who should be able to understand the business requirements and provide automated solution in development and operations model, and responsible for regularly validate department operations, risk controls, and confirm the accuracy of controls, effectiveness, and meet group or expectations. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the other responsibilities, those like embedded here for good and group's brand and values in FCSOPMM, and perform other responsibilities assigned under group, country, business, or functional policies and procedures. And coming to the experience required, those like technical working experience on month of AML system implementation and maintenance is must. Experience in programming tools such as PySpark, Python, HIVE and HIVE Infra, HDFS, RDBMS SQL is preferred, and development and operations skill set like Bitbucket, Jenkins is added advantage for this job role, and experience on Power BI reporting tool is required. These are the experience required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Indian Terrain Fashions for store manager, and they are looking for experienced candidates who can ready to accept the challenges. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv for area manager, debt management services, rural or senior. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like to achieve debt management services or collections targets of the area assigned, ensuring meeting PA targets, meeting the target on cost of debt management services or collections, control bucket flow cases and focus on non-starters, ensuring documented feedback, ensuring legal guidelines are complied with while reprocessing of products, and ensuring audit queries are complied with, and ensuring adequate Wi-Fi on street and availability area-wise or bucket-wise or segment-wise. These are the required qualifications and experience. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Talent Pro India. They are looking for banking field sales executive. Coming to the CTC, it will be 2 lakhs per annum to 3 lakhs per annum plus incentives, and the candidate's experience will be 1 to 5 years is required in field sales from BFSI industry, and education will be any graduates. And coming to the job mandates, like the candidates must have own two-wheeler and all valid documents, and have good communicational skills, and must be willing to join within 15 to 30 days. These are the job mandates. Coming to the desired skills and experience required, like they given here, and you can take a look once. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for supplier quality engineer automotive in SEAL HR, and coming to the qualifications required, like BE mechanical, and experience will be 3 to 5 years experience is required, and CTC will be 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. Coming to the job roles and responsibilities, the candidates should have experience in sheet metal and fabrication manufacturing, and excellent statistical analysis and quality assurance skills, in-depth knowledge of the technical aspects of manufacturing and engineering, and good working knowledge of quality control standards, experience with manufacturing and production process and engineering principles, and ability to provide guidance to improve process efficiency, and excellent communication and liaison skills are required. These are the responsibilities and the experience required for these job roles. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for store assistant in Kanchi Karpuram Limited, and salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 per month, and it is a flexible schedule, and they will provide a provident fund, and it is a day shift, and coming to the supplemental pay, and it is based on performance bonus, shift allowance and yearly bonus will be there. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in Palme Cocoa. They are looking for marketing executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates should approach targeted business clients actively and source new leads, and manage relationships with existing customers, conduct market research, analyze competitors, the efficiency of sales strategies, etc. And the candidates should have excellent communication skills and excellent deal closers, and knowledge of demand generation tactics, and lead conversion principles, and meet customer requirements like responsive, schedule conscious, etc., and maintain a relationship, and able to demonstrate grace under pressure. These are the job responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the salary, it will be 12,000 to 28,000 per month. And coming to the experience required, like in marketing, 1 year of experience is preferred, and in field sales, 1 year of experience is required. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job roles, you can please check in the description box for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.